Hi everyone, welcome to VegaLA's channel. Today we're going to talk about the Electribe Korg. As I mentioned in the previous video, I've only had this for a week or two and I've only had a few days to play with it. So last video we went through the steps in order to audition some sounds, because the Korg Electribe 2 has been out for a good couple of years now, and there are loads and loads of videos, YouTube videos explaining how to do certain things. But when I first got it out, I had trouble finding a video that just simply explained on how to audition the sounds, which is why I made that previous video. In this video, we're going to get a little bit more involved. So what I'm going to do is, in this video, I'm going to explain how to put together a simple drum beat in step edit mode. My drum beat of choice will be New Order's Blue Monday. It will be a simplified version, but you'll recognise it, hopefully. So let's turn this beast on and get cracking. So we've just turned it on and it takes us to the default factory pattern, which is Magician 1. We're going to use this knob here to go to a blank pattern set. We'll go to 2, 9. Go to keyboard mode, listen to the sounds. Let's turn that up a little bit. So we're going to put together a drum beat. So this drum beat is going to have what Korg call 2 sets. For each pattern and each part, you can have a maximum of 4. So we're only going to have 2. Now, when I originally started using the Korg Electribe the other day, and I started putting the drum beat together, I was under the impression that you would set the number of sets using these buttons here. That's not the case. They're just indicators. You're actually going to go into the menu, so let's do that now. So you click the menu button. First thing you see for pattern is the BPM. It's at 120, which is just where we want to be in a way. So let's move this blue knob here. Oh, that changes it to 121. Now we want to press this arrow button to go to the next. We've got swing, you've got beat, 16, and length. Okay, so length is at 1 at the moment. We're going to change that now with this blue knob and change that to 2, and then exit out of the menu. So what we want to do next is to find the right sound for us. So shift and use the oscillator, instrument, kick. That's sub beef. I'm looking for, let's try Tronica for this Blue Monday drum beat. Okay, that's just what I'm looking for. So I found Tronica. That's the sound we're going to go with for this Blue Monday drum beat. So from keyboard, we now click on the sequence button, and we can now step edit what we want to here. Press 2 to go on to the next set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that is it. We are pretty much done. So if I click on the play button now, hopefully you'll recognise this drum beat. Actually brings back some memories of me programming this on my Boss DR550 back in the day. So there you go, that is a simplified version of New Order's Blue Monday drum beat. As we go along in these video series, we're going to flesh this out a little more, see what the Korg Electribe offers, see what we can add to it, and as that's going on, hopefully my studio will be expanding, and we'll be able to put some cool tunes together I'm VegaLA. This is the Korg Electribe 2. Thank you for watching.